Welcome back to the channel. So here the live is on. Okay. So we are practicing. What is the? hmm, So this is a roadmap for the since we're in 5 plus years of experience. So .NET full stack developer interviews. So here, uh, see here .NET Core in a C sharp must we need to know. Oh, oops, and also solid principles and delegates and events and anonymous methods and lambda expressions and extension method and link queue generics collections and async and await and synchronous program multi-threading thread versus task and task parallel library and exception handling and id disposable and garbage collection and reflection and dependency injection. So we'll first see the what is the solid principles. So we the most important points here we can filter out that what is the solid principles. Solid principles mean as first is single responsibility over open close principle, open code, L for less code substitution, and I for interface segregation, and D for dependency inversion. So first, OOPs are the four basic pillars like an OOPs like an abstraction, encapsulation, and polymorphism. Uh, and solid principles have discussed, and let's see the delegates. What are the delegates? So let's see the delegate here. Delegate. What is a delegate in a C sharp? So a delegate is a type-safe function pointer. A delegate is a type-safe function pointer. A delegate is used to hold. A delegate is used to hold the reference of a method. It is holding the reference of a method and call that method dynamically. So how it will call like it is in a delegate. It is used to hold the reference of a method and call that method dynamically. And the important thing is that the delegate can point only to those methods that have the same return type and parameter list. So let's say we can create one delegate here. I'm going to this is the okay. Here I'll remove this first. So deleting this. So this is the main program. In the main program, I'm removing this. So here I'll take. So what are the things we need to remember here to call a method by using the delegate? Define a delegate using the delegate keyword. This is syntax like an access modifier. Okay, modifier delegate a return type and delegate name. So access modifier, I'll use the public and going here see delegate and delegate with the delegate keyword and return type I'm giving the void and here type and name of the delegate and parameter list. Name of the delegate I'll give the delegate example ex. So this is the delegate. So in the parameter I'll give into I. So this is a delegate. I have no, not this is a delegate. Let's see. Then create an instance of the delegate and pass a method name that matches the same signature. Okay, create an object for that. Delegate x example is equal to new delegate x and pass the. So he passed the method. Pass the method like method. I have and method. I'll take public. Call a delegate passing the parameter value. Example here you can see this is an delegate. So, okay. Okay. Public void method int into y. So this is in a method. The method is passing here. So here I'll give the console dot write line method that requires six. No, not required. You're calling that. Not calling here. Okay, going back, switching back here. You can see my data string f string where you're giving the values. Let's see. Okay, you're passing. You're calling here delegate. So I'll take this as an static. Now you can able to see this. I made a static method. The static method is used here. Not non-static. We need to create instance of that class. So it is outside of the right. So outside of the so this is an delegate. Now I will pass ex is equal ex of 10. I'm passing 10 here. I will print y. So see, I'm running the application. Now the value, now the output is like a 10. See here value is 10, right? The value is 10 because say we are using the delegates. So here you can see this is in a method. This is in a method called method. The method signature is same as in a delegate. So delegate holds the method reference. So here we passed with them, and again I am taking another method. I'll show you the example. I'll take this, copy and paste method 2. I will give the here string v string y. Okay, let's take same thing only, and coming here take the method 2. It isn't getting error. No overload for a method to matches the delegate x. This is not matched with the delegate. This delegate int. Now I'm here making this as a string, so it will match here. So method signature will match same as a delegate, right? So now you can pass this as string. This is a delegate. Now we can run. Here you can see this is a delegate. So clear, right? So coming here and you can able to see delegate name and method name should not be the same. Delegate name and method name should not be the same. What happen when the method name and delegate name is same? Let's take that. It will give an error. Say it will give an error. Already program already defines a delegates. So delegate name and method name should not be the same. And delegate cannot be defined in a method. Delegate cannot be defined in a method. It should not be defined in a method. Better to define delegate under the namespace only. Better to define the delegate under the namespace only because delegate is in a class type. Delegate is in a class type. Okay. Where you define here, you can see namespace only. Better to define delegate in a namespace only. Let's see. Control X. And coming here, this is in a class. And you can take here. Now also it will see. You can create an object to delegate. You can create an object of delegate. So yes, we can create an object of delegate, right? We already created, right? So this is in a delegate. Delegate is in a type-safe function pointer. Delegate is in a type-safe function pointer. Delegate is used to hold the reference of a method. Reference of a method you can able to see here. This is in a reference of a method. Delegate. This is an example. This is the best example for delegate. Now you can use a different way. Okay. Example one method. But you need to create another delegate, right? It is eight. Now it is not coming. Delegate is hold the reference of the method. You can say here, right? Create and delegate. How you will create like an access modifiers and the delegate with the delegate keyword and return type and delegate name and parameter list. Delegate should be match with the method signature. Let's see what ChatGPT will give. Stop this.